Corn, an American Indian gift. Do you know how corn first began to grow? Do you know how corn is used today? Do you know how corn grows? Corn, an American Indian gift, will answer these questions and much more. Let's read to find out more about corn. You can read along in your book as you listen to the story. Each time you hear this sound, turn to the next page. Listen and try to remember the new information that you learn about corn. Now open your book to the title page and we'll begin. Corn, an American Indian gift. Written by Gare Thompson. Corn long ago. How did corn first begin to grow? Some American Indian legends from long ago try to explain it. One legend tells about 3 sisters named Corn, Beans, and Squash. Corn was the oldest sister. She had yellow hair and was very tall. Everywhere she walked, corn plants grew in her footprints. No one knows for sure how corn first began to grow, but it has been grown for thousands of years. The oldest corncob fossil was found in Mexico. It is about 7,000 years old. The American Indians who lived in Mexico learned to plant corn and help it grow. Often it was the only food they had to eat. They called it maize. This means bread of life. American Indians learned to use all the parts of the corn plant. They used the leaves to make baskets, beds, and shoes. They even used the stalks to make roofs for homes. Soon, items made from the corn plant were used as money to trade. Then the Pilgrims came to North America. American Indians shared corn with them. They taught the Pilgrims how to plant and grow corn. They showed them that it could be used many ways. An important crop. Today, farmers all around the world grow corn. It can grow in both warm and cold places. Corn is an important crop in North America, China, France, Russia, and India. More corn is grown in the United States than in any other country. The area where it is grown is called the Corn Belt. Corn takes about 4 to 6 months to grow. It is usually planted in the spring. After a seed is planted, it takes about 2 months for the plant to grow into a strong cornstalk. Soon, buds appear on each stalk. These buds take about 2 months to become fully grown ears of corn. Then the ears are ready to be pulled off the stalk. Some corn is left on the stalk a month after it is ripe. It dries out and turns brown. Then the dry, hard corn can be used as food for animals. Farmers use this corn to feed cattle, hogs, chickens, and sheep. The core of an ear of corn is the cob. It holds rows of corn kernels. They are the small parts on the cob. They look like teeth. Some kernels are soft and others are hard. Kernels can be blue, black, white, orange, red, or yellow. Corn husks are the tough leaves that grow around an ear of corn. They protect the kernels from insects and bad weather. Corn silk grows inside the husks with the kernels. Silk is soft and stringy. A tasty food. There are many different kinds of corn. The two kinds people like to eat are sweet corn and popcorn. Sweet corn has soft and sweet kernels. When the corn is ripe, the ears are picked from the stalk. The kernels are taken off the cob. They can be frozen or packed in a can. Sweet corn can also be eaten from the cob. The ears of corn can be boiled or roasted. This is called eating corn on the cob. Popcorn has very hard kernels. They can be yellow, orange, or white. Popcorn kernels are heated until they pop open. The kernels turn inside out and become light and fluffy. A single ear can make 2 big bowls of popcorn. Sometimes people add salt, butter, cheese, or caramel to popcorn. It has been a popular snack for hundreds of years. Long ago, American Indians and Pilgrims ate it. Whole kernels are not the only way corn can be eaten. Dried ears of corn can be ground into cornmeal. This can be used to make cornbread, tamales, grits, corn dogs, and cereal. People of all ages enjoy foods made from cornmeal. Many children like to eat corn dogs at the fair. More than food. Corn is not only used as food. It is sometimes used to make medicine, paper, paints, plastics, and soap. It has even been used to build a palace. Corn is a plant that we can eat, make things from, and feed to animals. No wonder it is called the bread of life. Did you learn new information about corn? Do you think you might like to grow corn? A nice bowl of popcorn would be a great snack today.